evaluate the limit. We got square root of 25 plus h minus 5 all over h, and when h goes to 0. So every single time we simply plug in h equals 0 or whatever this variable equals that number and see if we have 0 on the bottom. If there is 0 on the bottom, then we need to do more work. So yeah, clearly that's 0. On the top, 25 plus 0, just 25. Square root of 25 is 5 minus 5, 0. So 0 over 0, that means when we graph this function at exactly h equals 0, there is a hole on the graph. But we can still compute the limit. And since this question involves square root, we need to get rid of this square root. So how? And whenever there is a square root, one of the ways, I mean that's the only way for this class, is to multiply by its conjugate. Okay, conjugate means just the middle sign plus. This one is now 25 plus h plus 5, and same thing to cancel this, 25 plus h plus 5. Okay, and the goal here is, after we simplify, we should be able to cancel the 0 making factor, because this h, when h goes to 0, this h is producing 0. So we should have h factored on the top and we have h on the bottom, and we should be able to cancel in a moment. Let's see. So there was no issue on the bottom, so we just keep writing both h times whole quantity. It's 25 plus h plus 5, that's on the bottom. On the top we got two terms, so we need to multiply, it's FOIL. So first term times first term, that's 25 plus h, radical 25 plus h times radical 25 plus h, that's this is square, and this one is just 25 plus h, which is a positive number. So this one is 25 plus h, and we don't have to put parentheses around because this one is a plus sign in the front. Now the next, when we multiply with this, that's plus 5 times this, so plus 5 times this junk. Here negative 5 times the same junk, negative 5 times 5, negative 25. Okay, we just FOIL and we got this. As you can see on the top, these middle two terms are same but of opposite sign, so we can cancel, and that leaves 25 plus h minus 25, and 25 minus 25 is 0, they also cancel. So that's limit. Okay, so limit h going to 0, just h left on the top, everything else is gone. So h over h times square root of 25 plus h plus 5. Now we can cancel this h from the top and bottom. Okay, that's 1 over, now I'm going to plug in h equals 0 because it's 1 now. So 1 over, so we basically cancel the 0 making factor h. Now when h goes to 0, this is 0, 25 plus 0, 25, square root of 25 is 5 plus 5, 10. So 1 over 10 is the limit.